In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Whop. By the end, you'll know how to make a one-time withdrawal and how to set up automatic payouts so your earnings reach you on a schedule. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Whop. When the results load, click the official Whop site. Always make sure the URL looks correct so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the site, log into your account using your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Let's begin with a manual withdrawal. From your Whop dashboard, navigate to Dashboard, then open the Payouts section. This page shows your available balance and recent payouts. If your funds are available to withdraw, you'll see the option right away. Click Withdraw to start the process. Now you'll enter the specifics. Add the amount you want to pay out. Choose your payout method. This could be a bank transfer or another supported option depending on your region. If you haven't connected a destination before, add a new account here. Take your time to enter accurate details so the money reaches the right place without delays. As you fill this out, Whop will display the fees, the exchange rate if your payout involves different currencies, and the estimated delivery time. Review these carefully so there are no surprises. When everything looks good, click Payout to submit the withdrawal. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you may receive an email once it's been initiated. Processing times can vary by method and country, so keep an eye on the estimate shown. If you prefer hands-off payouts, you can automate them. Go back to the Payouts page, then click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Automatic Withdrawals. Here, pick how often you want payouts to happen. Options typically include daily, weekly, or monthly. Next, set a minimum balance to keep in your account. This buffer is helpful for refunds and chargebacks, so you're not caught off guard by unexpected adjustments. Once you've set the frequency and minimum balance, confirm your settings. You can return to this screen anytime to adjust or turn off automatic withdrawals if your needs change. That's it. You searched for Whop, logged in, made a manual withdrawal by selecting Dashboard, Payouts, and Withdraw, reviewed the fees and timing, and finalized it by clicking Payout. Then you set up automatic withdrawals by using the menu, choosing a frequency, setting a minimum balance, and confirming. Follow these steps, review the details, and your payouts should run smoothly.